Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I have this painting for two that I'm going to show you guys how you can paint. This is a paint kit, so when you order it, you'll get the paint, the brushes, the material, everything you need. So it makes a really great little afternoon project for you and your kid. I'm going in first with the number 12 flat and the light green color that's provided, and I'm just painting the grass. And this is a paint by line, so all the lines are etched into the cutout. It's kind of hard to see for some reason on this right side, but in person you can see it fine. I'm going in with this charcoal color and blending this on the bottom of my mountains here. And then I'm going to go in with a light gray and blend that into the top. And then what I'll do is just wipe the excess off of my paintbrush and just go in and blend the two grays together until I'm happy with the way it looks. So it's really easy, so don't let it scare you. And now I'm going to go in and begin to do the same thing with the sky. I'm going to go in first with yellow, next with some orange, just getting my paint on there, blending it together a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with some red on the top. And again, I'll just blend that together. And then I'm going to go in and paint my cloud, and I'll be using the light gray and the charcoal, just kind of mixing them together for the cloud. And again, the left side could be painted by a mom, or you can paint, both siblings could paint one side of it however you wanted to. Super fun project. Just blending some charcoal in. And then next I'm going to go in and paint my dinosaurs, and I'm painting them in this lavender color, but you guys, there will be the yellow, red, orange, green, all these colors, charcoal, all of them will be provided, so your kid could paint his little dinosaur whatever color he wanted to or she wanted to. So you don't have to paint them purple, because there will be other colors in the paint kit that you could choose from as well. After I'm done base coating, I'm just going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And again, just make sure everything's really good and dry. And then you'll just follow the lines that are etched into the cutout for you. So this is so easy. I'm just going over these lines here. I have a super clean outline because of this marker. To me, this is the funnest part because it's kind of therapeutic. And I'm just filling in all the little dots on them in black. And then after this, I'll go in with a number 4 round and some white paint, and I'll just highlight everything. Whenever I highlight, I kind of hug close to the edge and follow the kind of curvature of my painting. So the way that the cloud curves, I kind of follow that. The way that the mountain curves, the dinosaur tail, all that. And again, just kind of hug close to the edge. And after that, you'll be able to put them side by side and display them in your home. Super cute, super fun project. I really hope you guys enjoy this and have a wonderful day.